Welcome to RUG. Go kahit saan, game kahit ano. I'm bringing you a different kind of energy. First episode natin to. Siyempre, ang gusto natin, unkaboggable at phenomenal agad, di ba? We were so privileged.
Sama sila?
Oo.
Di ba yan?
Saan nilalaro mo ng bata?
Kuchihan, bari-barilan, sipa.
Ay, ang gala. Ay. Double the fun, double the budol. We'll be joined by a multi-hyphenated artist.
Kailangan natin ng parang crop.
Very reporter ako ha, hindi ako magika.
Karoon ako ng ibang lentes sa paggawa ng pelikula.
We're diving headfirst to the hearts that beat for the most iconic pop group, not other than the nation's girl group, BINI! Meron tayong mission. Maghahanap tayo kung sino ang biggest BINI fan.
For today, yes.
Wow! The question is, RUG,